Hello, this is Paula with paulalacabara.com, and I want to wish you a gorgeous holiday. I just came back from New York. I am in Massachusetts at my in-laws' home, and I have a beautiful villa. I'll show you in a little bit here. So fun that my father-in-law loves to make in celebration for the holidays. And I was thinking of you, and I was thinking of, being in New York City was beautiful. I mean, it's the best time to be in New York, one of the best anyways. And, it's just really fun to see so many people and so many things. And it made me think because you know how hectic can get this holiday season and this holiday time. Even for me coming back from Miami, being almost not even a week in New York and now in Massachusetts, and I can feel how, the tendency of like, rushing and moving and going. And, this is the perfect time to be present with ourselves. This is the perfect time to connect with who you are, connect with your desires moving forward, and to really intend to have one of the best seasons yet. Because, after all, it is not about the gifts. It is not about the hectic last minute things. It's really about you. It's really about your family. It's really about the love that you share with those who are next to you and who you share your life with. And so, since I got here, I've been sleeping a lot, and I realize how much need there is for us to stop and pause and really be in our feminine in this holiday time, so you can allow yourself to receive with beauty, with joy, and with really fun and all of that good cheers and good spirits, to give, to then have so much to give afterwards, so you can fill yourself in with good food and good company, and then give after once you are filled. So that's what I'm doing this holiday season, and I wish you the same, and I wish you the most gorgeous, wonderful new year 2015, with all filled with success, abundance, wealth, and everything you desire, because it is all available to you. There's nothing that will stop you once you connect with your desires. So make sure to set time apart also this couple weeks to really connect with those desires for the new year, and then how to implement them and put them into practice coming forward. So I'm sending you tons of love. I am so grateful that you are part of this community, that we share this experience of life, this experience of beauty and receiving together. And I so look forward to more. There's so much more coming the next year. I can't wait to share. So sending you much love, holiday cheers, holiday love, and I leave you with this beautiful villa that my father-in-law made. So pretty, right? Okay, bye-bye for now.